Though there are still no confirmed cases of coronavirus here in Maryland,
Really want to actually spend a little bit of time making sure that you are the most educated Board of Health in the state of Maryland when it comes to COVID-19.
officials here are prepared. The council, sitting as the Board of Health, heard from County Health Officer Travis Gayles about what is being done to prepare for a potential outbreak here in Montgomery County.
We have this wonderful division within Public Health Services called Public Health Emergency Preparedness. We have multiple playbooks that guide the work that we do, how we respond to outbreaks, how we determine who needs to go where they need to go, how they're going to get there. And the team has been planning for this. This is what we're trained for.
So this is an opportunity to get a better understanding of what this virus is and what it is not, but also to better understand how the coordination is working between all the government agencies that are tasked with addressing it.
While an outbreak is a serious public health concern, only a small percentage of those who contract the virus require intensive medical care. Symptoms include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Dr. Gayles says the virus usually spreads from an infected person to others through the air, close personal contact, and touching a surface with the virus on it.
Right now, I want to be very clear that even though we have seen a number of suspicious cases under investigation, to be very clear that those cases in Maryland, D.C., and Virginia have all come back negative so far. We do know that there are some that are continuing to be pending, so we'd have to see an increase in the number of those suspicious cases, an increase in actual cases, and then, an increase in terms of how those are transmitted.
And the best advice for prevention is worth repeating over and over. Wash your hands with warm soapy water and scrub them for at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth, and stay home when you're sick. And Dr. Gayles says it's not too late to get a flu shot.
Wash the hands. Washing your hands is the #1 way to prevent the spread of disease. It trumps wearing masks. It trumps all those other things. Washing hands is the way to go.
Officials say any patients who meet the criteria for the virus should call their doctor or the Montgomery County Department of Health for testing. You can also call the Maryland Department of Health. More information about the coronavirus is available on the county's website. Reporting from Rockville, I'm Susan Kennedy.